Many business owners and marketers wonder how to obtain more interaction and conversion from their existing social media accounts as 2022 approaches. Over 3.96 billion individuals worldwide use social media sites such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and the number is growing. In the upcoming years, we can expect to see an increasing in people using these sites to communicate with friends and interact with their favorite companies. But which are the top 5 critical social media strategies to keep an eye on for the upcoming year? Worry not, we'll explore these in the video. Before I begin, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you can never miss any updates from us. So let's get started. Establishing defined marketing goals and key performance indicators should be your priority. Understanding when something is working and when you need to make changes is critical to any social media lead generation strategy. Goals and KPI make it simple to keep track of your progress and make adjustment as needed. One of the easiest ways to boost your social media account is live video. According to research, 43% of internet customers want more video content from companies they trust. The secret to having successful live video events is to develop topics that your target audience will enjoy. Engaging with like-minded people is important to your success in 2022. If you want to boost your social media marketing plan, groups are available on LinkedIn and Facebook, while hashtags are used on Instagram to discuss certain themes. Increase your social media presence and create relationship with community by joining these groups and hashtags. Another great technique to boost your social media marketing plan is to use user-generated content. We have had success with user-generated content in 2021, as did in many others. We expect that trend to continue next year. Such content occur when individuals share image of themselves using product or wearing branded products. Now let's move on to how partnering with micro-influencers can help you expand your social media profile. The size of influencers' audience is a significant distinction between influencers and micro-influencers. Micro-influencers are more likely to have a niche audience, making them more beneficial for your marketing approach. Social media marketing isn't going away anytime soon. These key points should have gotten your creative juice flowing and you are now ready to start thinking about your approach for 2022. Thank you for watching this video, but before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and share our video.